how to join a class on Google Classroom. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have. Also, make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have playlists for many apps, and let's get started. So let's now go to Google Classroom, search for it, or type in the URL bar your Google Classroom, and now open it. And now, in order to join a class, all you gotta do is very simple and very easy. All you gotta do is just click on the plus icon here, which is create or join a class. Click on it, and you can create a class from here, or you can also join a class. Simple. Now here, enter your class code that was given to you, and then once you enter the class code, click on join. Now this is if you gotta write the code. If you have an invitation on Gmail, what you gotta do is go to this invitation. Let's invite someone here, like copy invite link, and once you click on the invitation, all you gotta do is paste the URL here, or just click on the invitation button on the email, and here you're gonna join the class directly. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.